What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Raul. Yeah, we're gonna work on the RSX today. We actually got a like a shifter boot. We're gonna swap out the old one. I know it has like little staples in the bottom you have to remove and then attach this one. Pretty similar to this one, so I don't think we should have any problems swapping it out. We got this from Amazon actually, and see how it looks on as a shifter boot. Yeah guys, let's try to install this. But let's start off by taking off this little piece right here. It's actually not that hard to take off. First, we're gonna start off by taking off the shift knob. Take off the little adapter. If I can take it off. All right, I'm back. I got some pliers. Let's see if I could get this off. Yep, coming right off. About aside. Look, now we can take this off, and then it's just held in by a couple tabs. There you go. And there's another one over here. There you go. It comes right out. Cool. And then look, like I said, there's some couple staples right here. I don't know how I'm gonna redo that. We'll figure it out, but we finally got this off. All right, so we're gonna take this inside. I actually have a table set up, and we're gonna be messing with this. Maybe have to cut this up or find a way to actually mount this onto this little trim piece. Try not to damage this. All right guys, so we got the boot right here. We're gonna be taking this part off first. We got all the staples off. There's like 10 of them. We're gonna see if we could just install the boot without having to staple them back.
Should come right off.
Ooh. Got the old one off. And then this thing comes off. So we're able to take off this little trim piece. It has a couple tabs, like 6 on each side. You could actually get it from the inside. You just gotta get a flathead and just pry it off one by one and take this part off. This actually holds the boot in place, so I don't think we need those staples, to be honest. So we're gonna actually have to cut it because you have to fit it in like these little holes right here, exactly how this one is. You see how like it's cut? So we're gonna have to do that, the same thing to this, so that way we could pull it and so it can sit in place. We're just gonna try to trace this as best as we can. I already started cutting it. It's not gonna look the best. Like these cuts, you're probably not gonna be able to see them, but we'll just try to do our best and just trace it around. They're cutting it all up. I think it's ready now. See all the little slots. Let's see how this turns out.
Several days later.
All right guys, so this is actually 2 weeks later. We're back in the RSX. It was a total fail with the shift boot, but we actually got a different one this time. The other one, I was trying to cut it, but the threads were just coming apart and it just wasn't working out anymore. So weeks later, I just ordered a shift boot specifically made for the RSX. This one's made by D Shifts. So I came up on this one. It's a Bride. It's another Bride fabric. I already got it on. I kind of wanted the logo to be facing me, so I kind of flipped it. I don't think it's supposed to be like that because of the tag being over here. It was pretty easy to install. Like, it's already cut to your fitment. I was able to pull all those straps in, put the little trim piece around, and I'm about to put it in now and see how it fits. Oh, and then I also put this. Make sure to put it on there with the zip tie to hold it in place. So we got this. We're gonna put it in here. I don't think it's in here. Is it? Oh, here's the intro. All right. Just put it right in. Snap it in. We're gonna put our little adapter on there. If it fits, man, what the hell? There you go. It don't look bad. Looks good. But there is another piece that I'm missing. It's supposed to like hold this up. It's like, yeah, I don't know where I left it, but I'm just gonna put it right there for now. There's also a lot of different adapters you can put on here, so I could just click up or just hold it in place. And that's it. This is a new look. Wow. Okay, so this is how it looks now. Go through all the shifts, see how it looks. It honestly doesn't look bad like that. Just looks a lot better than here. This was the old one. It's all old leather, looking nice. It's cool. I do plan on getting a short shifter pretty soon, hopefully, once I get this car registered and I could drive it around. But yeah, guys, this is the new look. So I actually got a new mount for my camera. I could probably do like a little drive around, maybe show you guys some, not really pulls, but just some, you know, some drive time of how it sounds and everything, how the car drives with the new engine and the new transmission. I don't know if this is a good angle, but I'll get a better angle next time. This is like my first time recording like this. gonna get rid of the exhaust pretty soon. I did get pulled over by it once, and they just left me off with a warning since it was registered in Nevada. I was out here visiting when I got pulled over that one time, and then yeah. So just get the stock exhaust for now, and then later on I'll get a louder exhaust, but not too loud to the point I get pulled over. And yeah, guys, it's a nice shift boot. I need to figure out what their what the brand name is called. The brand is actually called or the company that makes the shift boot is called D-Boy Shifts, and they're pretty affordable. I think I paid like, let's see, I think like $20. The little neck piece is on now. I actually put like a little zip tie right here on the shifter so it doesn't like slide down. It's like, you know, it won't go down. But I mean, this is the final look. Well, all right, guys, just a quick little vlog. I switched the shift boot. I gotta get back into this logging stuff, take it more serious. I actually have to lift up the car a little bit because it's very low. I can't. Where I work at, there's a lot of speed bumps, and I can't get to work driving this car. I'm gonna be driving this car pretty soon to like work and stuff, daily it, and I just want it to be. I want to be able to get into, like, you know, wherever. Yeah, I think that's gonna be the end of the video. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later, guys.